Hey guys, welcome to yet another video. In this video, I'm gonna be reviewing this keyboard from Enter. So let's get started. So I bought this Enter keyboard for about 3 years ago for rupees 250. This has got a beautiful branding here in Enter keys. Guys, it is a great strategy to name your brand on any of the keys of the keyboard. For example, I can rename my brand as Backspace, or you can rename your brand as Shift or anything like that. So let's get on with the review. So talking about the design and build quality, this keyboard is completely made out of plastic and it is very light. It feels like fiber and it doesn't bend. It is sturdy, well made. The keys are tactile. As you can see, these keys have a travel of about 2 mm. It makes good sound when you type with them. Keyboard flexes when you type with it. It has got these 2 stands with it, which can give a positive tilt to the keyboard like this. Guys, the positive tilt is a thing of past nowadays, as usually keyboards come with a negative tilt, and scientists or the doctors prefer negative tilt these days. These trends keep on changing, guys. So talking about the cable quality, this cable here is a bit thin, I believe. You can see this has came out of the shell, and I used to wrap this around like this, so it has caused this cable to bend like this. So talking about the performance of this keyboard, I'll say this keyboard is best at average. The typing distance is pretty average in my believing, and there is no spacing between the keys, but you can't expect everything on the price of 250. This is a very good keyboard for gaming, and if you slap on your keyboard like this every time you lose a game, so this is a really great keyboard for you, as you don't have to worry about this breaking down, as you can always buy another one for just rupees 250. This branding of Enter looks really cool with it, and also there are all F keys present here. There are 3 LED indicators over here. If you can see, guys, these are one for num lock, one for caps lock, and one for scroll lock. So this keyboard is a sturdy one for the pricing. At last, conclusion time. So I'll say that this is a keyboard very useful for guys who are really aggressive with their keyboards, who slam their keyboards like this after losing any game. And you can always use this keyboard for your liking. You can take it anywhere. It is really compact in size, really plasticky, really easy to carry. It's about 200 grams, I believe. So thanks for watching.